Okay, I want to satisfy my curiosity. So I'm going to come on here with another little short video, and I want to ask this question about math. Um, in high school, um, well, I really didn't like math that well. I was far better in language. English was phenomenal. Spelling was great. I didn't even do too bad in speech class, giving speeches, although I hated giving them. But it kind of set the stage for what I do now. But but I really struggled with certain types of math. Chemistry, oh, it it involved a lot of math, and I just I did actually better in chemistry than I did in algebra. But algebra, between algebra and geometry. Um, Algebra was horrible. Algebra 1, I believe I started out the semester with an A, but then the second quarter, I was coming in on a B or B minus. Then it went to, a C. I think I ended up that year with a C minus. And then algebra 2, I started with a B, so I was already on the left foot, starting out. Um and it finally just my grade just declined, went down, and finally I ended up with a D that year in algebra 2. So I never and then after that, of course, I'm not gonna push it and go on into trigonometry and calculus. Forget it. No, wasn't for me, not for me. So, but now geometry, I was straight A's in it. Once I got the postulates and theorems down in my head, and I could take that and apply it to solving these problems with polygons and triangles and whatever I had to use them in. It was easy, once it was like, I guess in my mind it was like putting a puzzle together, and I could just step by step put the pieces together and come out with the answer. So I was really good in math in that way, when it comes to geography or geometry, not geography. Oh, I did well in geography too. I was just memorizing where everything was at. I love maps. Did I say that in one of my last videos somewhere? I love maps. So I think I did. So I was good at geography as well. Um, but when it come to, I don't know what it was, but I was great with numbers. I had no trouble doing basic, learning my basics of math, doing my times tables, learning my addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I could do all that really well. I did great in that. But when they started adding the alphabet to mathematics, I was great with language, great with numbers, great with the alphabet. But when you put them together, no, it didn't make a lick of sense to me. So anyway, just out of curiosity, and let me satisfy my craving to know, how are you in math? Did you follow a similar pattern? Or maybe you did great in algebra and geometry wasn't your thing. I don't know. I'm just curious. Anyway, leave me a comment and let me know. I want to know. Don't fail me. Okay, take care. God bless.